Stay tuned to see how I use this to put together a craft cart. So I used this Gramercy cart that I got from michaels.com to put together and use as a craft cart. All of my supplies have come to a head in terms of being everywhere around my house, so I wanted to get something that would allow me to put everything in one central location. The cart comes with really detailed instructions that are helpful and super easy to follow, and it comes with all of the screws and even a little small screw to put everything together. As long as you follow the instructions, you should have no issues with getting all of the pieces connected. Just make sure that you don't do like I did and forget to put in the 2 screws in the top. I found them on the floor. I was like, where did these go? And didn't realize where they went until I went to put together the top piece. Each craft cart comes with these little rubber stoppers that allow you to hang the attachments onto the cart without scratching it up. I truly appreciate how many attachments they have. There's a set of attachments that will allow for you to put rolls of paper in, or as you'll see later, I'm going to actually use them to put my canvases in, as well as a long bar on each side. That is where you can put your rolls of paper as well. And each one of the baskets are a pretty good size. It was actually bigger than I expected it to be, and it holds a lot of my supplies. I do still have a lot of supplies that are under my bed in containers, and I plan on getting a couple more of these carts because they are just very handy. It's very easy to see all of your supplies. And a little bit later, I also plan on getting little dividers to put my paints and my stickers and all of my smaller supplies in. That way everything will be super organized and super neat and very easy to see and use at my disposal when I'm doing my crafts. And here is what the finished DIY craft cart looks like. Like I said, this cart is so very handy. It's a lot bigger than I expected. And as you see, I had places to put my ribbons, my contact papers, my canvases, as well as a whole shelf for all of my paints, my cutting board. On the bottom, I have all of my stickers and kind of miscellaneous items as well. And then on top, I have my paint brushes, my glitters, my basically everything. The sides are great for putting your rolls of washi tape on as well, and they come with a decent amount of those little hangers. So if you are able to pick one of these up from Michaels, I would definitely suggest it. This would be a great addition to anyone's craft room. Now I do want to say that this is not a sponsored video, but Michaels, if you see this, go ahead and hit your girl up. But I do thank everybody for watching this video. It's a little different than my normal DIYs, but I am trying to organize the things in my house right now, and I thought that it would make great content. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.